Right, here we come to the elevators at Evans Library Annex at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. These elevators are in the process of modernization. It's early February, so let's see how these things are doing. And we got the original elevator car that we're gonna ride. So hopefully we don't stop a whole bunch of times because these are unbearably busy. But anyways, these are Dover Traflomatic IV from 1998 that are in the process of getting a mod with SmartRise. Nouveau Elevator is doing the mod. Gladly, it wouldn't stop. Get a good detailed view of these fixtures. Interesting how this the COP is divided from each other. See, the fire service control panel is raised all the way up while the floor buttons are at a normal ADA height. And there's your phone with a Dover label on it, which is ADA compliant, and they literally just drew a smiley face over the dust on the base of the phone box. Are you going to one?
Oh, yes, please. Thank you.
You're welcome, y'all.
I like your pants, man.
Thank you so much, sir. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.
Hey, you too. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, now we're gonna get a cabbie that I've been meaning to do for quite a while. Look how tall this thing is. It's a very tall cab. Look how dirty the ceiling tile is. That is disgusting. We might be stopping, but that was a good detailed take on this original elevator car right here. So we're gonna ride the modernized one next. You going to one?
Yes.
All right, enjoy your afternoon.
You too.
All right, we're gonna ride the modernized elevator car this time. See, that button's replaced. Well, that button right there is still original. It's all the way up at 6. So, as you can see, the left elevator car is already finished with a new indicator. The middle elevator car is already modernized, yet they still have a Dover impulse indicator, surprisingly. And that elevator car over there is the one we just rode, which is still original. And is it, are we getting back the original elevator car? Oh, never mind. We got this one. I guess we'll take a ride on this one. Luckily, we got it to ourselves. Looks like they retrofitted the original Dover impulse indicators with the new COP. This is like some sort of before and after video in one shot. New ceiling, new catwalls, handrails, but the flooring is obviously still original. These are new innovation bruiser fixtures. What floor would you like?
The first floor, please.
So am I.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm glad we didn't stop during the first full round trip. Oh, I almost pressed the alarm. I nearly almost pressed the alarm, but I'm sorry, y'all. Sorry, I'm just into elevators.
No, you're good.
Yeah. I almost nearly slipped into the alarm button. I'm sorry
I
about
said that.
that.
No, you're good.
I didn't even see that at first. Well, have a great rest of the day.
Thank you. You too.
You're welcome. All right, I think I want to write the original elevator card again. These elevators are sadly going bye-bye. It's a good view of these Dover impulse fixtures before they're taken out. Are y'all going to one?
Yep, thank you.
You're welcome, y'all.
Some cheese eagles play. Yeah, there's that GG. Yep. Eagles roll?
All right, y'all enjoy your weekend.
Yes, sir. You too.
You too.
You're welcome, y'all. I'll let you guys decide on the different cab configurations, but this time we're gonna go ahead and end the video on 4.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Are y'all, what floor are y'all going?
4.
So am I. I'm gonna get off here as well. New door sensors.
Thank you, Dave.
Have a great day, y'all. Look at that. They also put a new door sensor as well. See, I forgot to show that. You see that? There's a new lantern right there. That's still original. New call station. They replaced the call station on most of the intermediate floors. But anyways, see that right there is the sky bridge to the actual Evans Library building. So with that being said, that'll be it. Thanks for watching.